Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we would discuss another great achievement by the Indian defense sector, and this is related to the Pinaka rockets. Yes, the first ever rocket fully manufactured by the private company has been successfully test fired by the Indian Army. This gives confidence that we can involve the private sectors in such manufacturing to reduce the Indian defense sector's dependency on public or government sectors. These rockets were manufactured by the private sector using the technology transfer agreement with DRDO. And as per the defense sources, 6 such Pinaka rockets were test fired from a firing range in Pokhran on Wednesday, August 19, 2020. The test fire achieved the desired results by accurately hitting the relevant targets. So, what is this Pinaka rocket all about? Pinaka is a multiple rocket launcher or an artillery missile system which is capable of striking into an enemy territory up to a range of 75 km and that too with high precision. The system has a maximum range of 40 km for Mark 1 variant and 75 km for Mark 2 variant. Not just that, there is a Mark 3 variant which is under development and this has a range of 120 kilometers. Pinaka was designed to replace the BM-21 Grad multiple rocket launcher systems of Indian Army. Normally, a Pinaka battery has 6 launchers, 6 loader vehicles, 6 replenishment vehicles, 2 vehicles for ferrying the command post, and a vehicle for carrying the meteorological radar. And this is for providing the data on winds. These Pinaka rocket systems are based on 8x8 Tatra truck, which is rebadged in India by BML. These trucks feature a central type regulation system, and the driver can adjust the tire pressure to suit the terrain for optimum mobility. These trucks can carry a payload of 12 tons. These rockets can be fitted with a wide range of warheads, including the pre-fragmented high explosive, the anti-tank bomblet, the anti-tank minelet warhead, and anti-personnel mines. Each launcher can fire in a different direction as well, and the system has the flexibility to fire all the rockets in one go or only a few at a time. And this is made possible with a fire control computer which is incorporated into it. As part of the Make in India drive and push for the private sector in defense manufacturing, this successful test firing of Pinaka rockets made by a private company is something very good achievement by the defense sources. Indian Army has a large requirement for rockets of this particular class, which is pegged at over 1000 units annually. So that was a quick update on the recent test fire which happened with the Pinaka rocket, and that too which was manufactured by a private company. And as I already mentioned, this is indeed a great achievement for the defense sector, and let's wish many such achievements keep coming. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.